Full disclosure, this dash cam was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. Woo! Oh yeah! We got the REDTIGER F7N dash cam right here. A dual dash cam. 4 camera, back camera, 4K sensor in the front, 1080p in the back, wide angle in the front, 170 degrees. You have 140 degrees back there. This is one of the best dash cam you can get right now. Boom! We got the camera looking good. 4K camera, 4K sensor in the front, nice screen back here, 3.16 screen back here. Sweet. Inside right here, this is a Sony sensor that has a very good sensitivity in low light, crystal clear. This is a really nice 4K camera. This one you can actually take good pictures with as well. This is a 3M adhesive right here, so you can attach it to your car, and you have the sensor that connects to your camera right there. This is for installing. You need this to open up panels. This is a tool that helps you install it. Extra adhesive in here. This end plugs into your car DC output. This plugs into your camera. You have a nice long cord here for installation. There is your power cable for your dash cam. This right here is your 1080p camera for the rear view. Pretty wide as well. 140 degree wide rear camera. And it has a very long cord, so you can install it, route it around your car. Nice and clean installation. Mounting part right here with some screws so you can mount it securely to your car. Sweet! The instruction manual. Super long power cord. Plug this into the power unit. Power station right here. This is the River Mini, and it's going to supply us the DC power that normally comes from your car. Plug the power adapter into this unit right here. This one should give us power to power our dash cam. This camera is super tiny, but don't forget there's even a micro SD slot right there for your micro SD card. 3.16 inch screen. This mounts onto your windshield, and you can take on and off the camera just by sliding on. Sweet! This angle right here, so you can adjust the angle of your dash cam. And once you plug it in, we have a 128 gigabyte micro SD card. Remember, the micro SD card is not included. Plug in the micro SD card right now. So the micro SD card is installed, powering on right now. REDTIGER, oh yeah! So now we need to format the SD card. Here is the settings. It's very easy to control with these arrows right here. You can control up and down. There's a format SD card. That's what we're gonna do first. We're gonna format the SD card. Format it. So now, let's go ahead and turn this thing back on. Oh yeah, REDTIGER. It's powering on right now. When you turn it on, it starts recording right away. Boom! Yo, what's going on? We're recording right now from the RedTiger F7N dash cam right now. I'm recording with the Sony sensor. It looks good. That's a wide angle. Nice sharp detail. Look how good the low light capability is. It's so dark in here, yet the camera can capture me. Looks good. What's up, guys? We're recording right now with the F7N dash cam. It's recording with a front 4K sensor camera right now. This is a Sony sensor. Looks sharp. It's incredible. F7N at a 170 degree wide angle. Super clarity and super sharp. Even with this darkness right here, you can read license plate. You can see street sign. Really good dash cam. Incredibly good. Awesome. This thing has Wi-Fi and GPS, G-Shock sensor. This thing can detect impact. For example, you're driving and there's like a car accident or someone bumps into you. That impact will alert the system to know that this is important footage. It will save that piece of footage, saves it and protects it from any overwriting. So you can always go back and look at that footage. Very, very important. Testing out the 1080p rear camera right now. AV input, we'll connect that to the front. Boom. Now it can connect the rear camera. So again, this is the 1080p rear camera right here. Boom. It's already working. You got two cameras. Whoa. Front camera right here. The main camera, 4K. Back camera right here, 1080p. Both cameras are really good. So the back camera is 140 degree wide angle, 1080p. The front camera is 170 degree 4K. Both cameras are super sharp, super clear. They're both really good in low light. I'm impressed. This thing can connect to your phone via Wi-Fi. Downloading the Ucam Dash Cam app right now. You can choose to record the audio on or off. Front camera and the back camera connected to Wi-Fi right now. The Ucam app is open. Connect DVR. The phone is now connected to DVR. I can see everything, so I can record and take a picture. Boom, and I'll take a picture. Oh yeah, nice. You have the front camera and the back camera. You can record, capture it in full screen. You can monitor the 4K front camera and the 1080p back camera with the phone using Ucam app connected by Wi-Fi. Pretty simple, pretty awesome. This dash cam from REDTIGER is awesome. Oh yeah.